What's up, nail nerds? Welcome back to Sadler Up Nails. Here is the update to my Aprés Nail Extend Gel-X versus Bioseaweed Gel's Builder Gel update. So they did both last 3 weeks, so that's a plus. Now I am going to remove them. First, we're going to clip off the extension that is beyond my natural nail and try not to poke anybody's eye out or fling these at yourself. I do wear glasses, so I am protected. If you don't, you might want to wear some goggles. These things ping off fast. And I will say, cutting these off, the nails did feel very strong. I actually struggled using my left hand. I felt pretty weak, you could tell there. So the nails held up over the 3 weeks as in regards to their strength. Now, I do not have a good quality e-file, so I do hand file off the gel polish. That is what took the longest amount of time, was filing it off. If you do have an e-file, I'm obviously use that. So I wanted to check if there was lifting, and on the right hand, which was the Extend Gel, we do have lifting on at least 2 of the nails. Pretty bad lifting on the middle finger and some lifting on the ring. And now the hand with the Builder X gel, the Bioseaweed, has absolutely no lifting. It looks like there is a little bit of lifting here on the thumb, but I do show you later on with my cuticle pusher that it's actually hasn't lifted at all there. And I was quite surprised. I honestly thought the Bioseaweed Builder X was gonna lift off. I'm not gonna lie. And to see that the Aprés Extend Gel is lifting, I'm a little bit disappointed and very surprised. I'm not gonna lie. So yeah, you see it's lifted here on the ring, and it definitely lifted on the middle finger. And here, I thought maybe that was lifted, but it's not. And there's absolutely no lifting on my left hand, which was with the Builder X. So I think going forward, so yeah, here you can see it's not really lifted there. It just looks a little lighter in color, maybe from the filing. So I think going forward, I'm going to be using Bioseaweed gel to apply these. So now I did try soaking them off at first with cotton, and my hands were just absolutely freezing, and we do know acetone works best when it's heated up. So I did end up getting a bowl of warm water, and then I just put in a little Ziploc bag. I saw someone else do this. I don't know who it was, but it's a great trick. You just put a little Ziploc bag in with some acetone in that, and then you stick your hands in, and then it just kind of like, it floods all around your fingers, and you don't actually end up having to use as much acetone as you would if you put it into a bowl. So yeah, this was, it felt like 10 minutes, but so it was probably only 5. My nails were probably only soaking for 5 minutes. And this is the Extend Gel. The Extend Gel definitely soaked off easier than the Builder X. So I'd say it took about 20 minutes to fully soak off the Aprés Gel-X Extend Gel. And then after that same amount of time, I still did have to file off a small layer of the Bioseaweed. Bioseaweed is a little bit harder to soak off, I do find, but hey, if there's no lifting, there's no lifting. So that is my update. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and bye for now.